Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First we need to turn on the watch, so let's press and hold the upper button for a couple of seconds. Then release it and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch, select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Now you should see the QR code on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on our iPhone, and you can do it in two ways. You can either scan the QR code with the camera app or open the App Store on your phone or other iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search, tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. Oh, not McDonald's. Mi Fitness, then tap search and you should see this application right here. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Then in the application you can tap on start. Here you need to check this box and then you can tap on agree. Now we need to select the region, so tap on region right here and find the region you want to select. For example, I'm gonna select the United States and then tap next. Now you should see the health page. Tap on the device icon, tap on add device and then tap on OK. And now we need to log in into a Mi account. You can also create a new one by tapping on create account or sign in using the SMS. I'm gonna just tap right here, enter the email address. Then enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. Once you enter the email and password, you will need to check the box right here and tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you will get a couple of pop-ups. First one is to basically we need to allow the app to use the Bluetooth, and we need to do it, so let's tap on OK. And also it's a good chance to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on our iPhone. So let's open the panel, and as you can see on my iPhone it's enabled, but if it's disabled on yours, please enable it to continue. Okay, so after you enable the Bluetooth, you can tap on OK right here and you should see the list of devices on the screen. Find the Xiaomi Watch S1 on the list and tap on it. Then tap on the Xiaomi Watch S1 right here. Now, as you can see, we have the note that we need to tap on OK. This will redirect us to the settings on our iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. Wait until Xiaomi Watch S1 appears on the list. Tap on it. Tap on pair and then confirm on your watch. Now we can go back to the application. Tap on the Xiaomi Watch S1 again. Tap on agree. Tap on pair. Tap on, or rather here, tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we can allow the iPhone to send the notifications to our watch. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, tap on allow, then tap on OK. And then tap on done. Also on your watch, you should be able to use your watch right now, as you can see. So the devices are paired. Now you will get another pop-up in your application. Basically, it's asking us if we want to allow the application to use or rather get access to location. You can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. sometimes this page doesn't load for some reason, you can close the app and reopen it. Tap on device, and now you should see your Xiaomi Watch S1 on the device list. And let's wait until it says connected. So syncing. And connected. So this means that the devices are paired, the watch and the iPhone are paired together. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.